Due to the partnership between Rolec and Wattif EV, Tinedenge were looking for an EV charging solution. The Rolec approved installer, Rollins Electrical, were able to bring that opportunity forward, and from there we all worked together and were able to offer Tinedenge our fully funded solution, which they ultimately went for. Wattif can offer customers a variety of solutions. We tailor these solutions to individual requirements or needs. At Tinedenge, it was our fully funded solution where we fund the whole installation. This entails a thorough process from carrying out an in-depth survey with our Wattif approved contractors to managing the installation to then commissioning the chargers ready for customer use. We then split the net revenue generated by the charger with the customer so that they are still taking a share of the profit without outlaying any capital, and most importantly, providing their customers with EV charging facilities.
Rolec and Wattif can offer you and your clients fully or partially funded EV infrastructure. If you want to start your electrification journey without using your own capital, contact Rolec today.